Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with opening your phone dialer. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And here let's scroll and go to the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.